Welcome to Java Forum. Now we are going to see how to install Microsoft SQL Server 2019 on CentOS Linux 8 operating system. So here I have already mounted CentOS 8.1 DVD ISO file. So first up is I am going to check whether I am having enough space or not. So df-kh command will give you the details about the Linux directories. So I can able to see that I have enough space, so especially in /opt directory. So by default SQL server will be get installed in /opt directory, and also I can able to see I have enough memory, that is RAM, around 6 GB free I am having. So make sure that you have enough hard disk space and free memory. Also I can able to see that IP address is already allocated to this machine. So this is the offline installation, so I'm not going to connect to the internet. So here you can see that CentOS 8.1 DVD already I have mounted. So let me go to the directory where I have downloaded the RPM packages. Okay, these are the RPM packages I have downloaded from Microsoft website for CentOS 8. So I'm going to install these packages offline. So first time switch as a root user, only root user only can install the RPM packages. So first I am going to install MS SQL server. So let us see what is going to happen. Okay, so GDB, it's a dependency name required by SQL Server 2019. So no need to worry about it. So all the dependent packages are available in AppStream and BaseOS directories. So you can search and install one by one. So this GDB RPM requires some other dependent packages also. Those packages also I have copied. So I am copying to separate directory. So I am creating one directory called SQL Server 2019 dependencies. So here Python 3 is available by default, no need to worry about Python. So these are the dependent RPM packages we need to get installed. So let me open the terminal and try to install all the packages in single shot. Yes, let me install in a single shot. So all these RPM packages are available in DVD itself, no need to download from external website. All RPM are available in DVD itself. DVD CentOS 8.1 DVD ISO file. Yes, so dependent packages are got installed. Now let me try to install the SQL Server 2019 once again. Yes, so I can able to install the SQL Server 2019. So you can see that finally it's asking us to run the setup command. So I'm copying that command, paste it. Yeah, run the setup now. Yeah, it will display the menu. So I am choosing developer edition accept the license agreement, and provide the SQL Server 2019 administrator password. So password should be alphanumeric with at least one letter in uppercase and one special character. So once again, provide the password. So now you can see that SQL Server 2019 Developer Edition is getting configured on CentOS 8. So Server 2019 Developer Edition is a full featured edition, free to use for development purpose. You can't use in production. Okay, now I can able to see that SQL Server is got installed and service is getting started. So you can verify the service by typing systemctl status command. So I am copying this service name, my mssql-server dot service, the name of the service. Yes, so I can able to see that service has started. So Microsoft SQL Server uses 1433 as a default port. So this I can prove it by using netstart command. So you can see that so once again I am running netstart command by gripping with some string. Yes, so now you can able to see that it occupies port number 1431, 1433, 1434. So 1433 is the main port. Okay, now next step is I am going to install the ODBC drivers. So these are the RPM packages contain the ODBC drivers. Accept the license agreement. Yes, ODBC drivers are got installed. Next, finally, I am going to install Microsoft SQL tools. So Microsoft SQL tools contains some command line utilities used to connect SQL Server 2019 instances. So MSSQL-tools also installed successfully. Okay, now let us go to file system. Let me go to /opt directory. So you can see the 3 directories are there. So Microsoft directory contains ODBC drivers and library files. MSSQL directory contains files that necessary to run the SQL Server 2019 instance. And MSSQL-tools contains command line tools and utilities to connect SQL Server 2019 instance running locally. So don't delete these 3 directories. Now let me go to home, show the hidden files. So I am going to edit the bash profile settings of the current user so that you can add okay, now I am going to add the MSSQL tools /bin directory to the path variable so that SQL commands, that is SQL CMD, can be accessible in terminal from anywhere, and you can connect SQL Server 2019 via SQL CMD. So this is the path for MSSQL-tools. So save the bash profile settings, open the terminal. So type the command source dot bash underscore profile. Okay. Now type the command SQL CMD -s localhost -u SA -p password, the password which you provided during the installation, right? Provide that password. Okay, now I can able to connect to the SQL Server instance running. Okay, first step is I'm going to create one database. So and then I'm going to use the database. Next I'm going to create one sample table and insert some records to the table, and finally I will select that table in order to check whether it is working or not. Yes, I can able to create, insert and select the table. So everything is fine now. SQL Server 2019 installation on CentOS 8 operating system is successful. Okay, now I am going to unblock the port. So firewall is running already. So this is the command for firewall. Firewall -cmd zone is public zone. Add port equal to 1431/TCP permanent. So permanently I am giving access to this port 1431, now 1433, next 1434. So these three ports I am unblocking now. Make sure that you unblock this port, then only you can access the SQL Server 2019 database outside this CentOS 8 operating system. So I'm reloading the firewall database. Yes, so everything is fine. Next I am going to connect to SQL Server Management Studio using this IP address. So IP address is mandatory here, then only you can connect to the SQL Server Management Studio. Okay. Also make sure that you have updated version of SQL Server Management Studio in order to connect SQL Server 2019. Yes, I can able to connect database running on CentOS 8 operating system. So let me browse the database and tables. Let me select this table. Yes. So SQL Server 2019 installation on CentOS 8 operating system is successful. So the installation and configuration is very easy. So if you want more information about the database, means if you right click the database properties in SQL Server Management Studio, means it will give you all the details about processor, cores, location, path, operating system details, etc. So you can make use of it. Okay, finally make sure that you have enough hard disk space, especially in /opt directory, and free memory 1 to 2 GB minimum and 4 GB maximum. So depends upon the database size. So here I have installed SQL Server Developer Edition. So requires more than 1 GB.